beautiful beach. Where's this guy come from? Thought I was all by myself here. The wind has picked up a little bit, but it's coming from the north. I'm going south, of course. About another 50 kilometers towards Sines, hopefully. And I'm not going to have a swim right now, but maybe later. On a 10k side quest to see some sort of beautiful fishing platform that's worth the trip from Lisbon alone, apparently, so we'll see what that brings. Probably prettier at high tide, and there's probably a bit more action going on fishing wise, but I still think it's very charming. Into the headwind again for a few kilometers before I turn south. Dickhead. Move over, dickhead. A bit remote here. The nearest grocery store is 20 k's that way or 20 k's that way, so it's fortunate that I got some water and I have one melty snack in my bag. Thank you today very much to Stereophonic. I'm so sorry for the wait. Thank you Stereophonic for becoming a YouTube channel member. You absolute champion. Very much appreciated indeed. Hola, buen camino. Hola. Hola. Back to slumming it with supermarket Wi-Fi, but when you can do it with a cold beer and some pound de queijo right outside the supermarket, it's not too bad at all. Cheers. nice bricks are EuroVelo. Until there, that's not EuroVelo. This is the EuroVelo. I'm only entertaining this rubbish EuroVelo track in place of the road because I'm looking for a camp and I don't want to be hiking half a kilometre through sand again. So, though this is rough, it's at least not sand. Organic Maps didn't want to send me this way, but I overrode it. I said, no, it's EuroVelo. It must be good. I think I can keep it up if I go in a straight line. Woo! Whoa, trying to move to the side. Yeah! Another amazing view, but it's super windy. There's another couple camping in a van over here, and I could move everything up there and have like the most incredible view up there, but also I could just camp down here in the shade and still be able to pop up and see the view. In the Alentejo region now, so the wine is Alentejo, the cheese is Alentejo. It's going to be Alentejo in Portuguese, isn't it? The J is an H sound in Spanish, not Portuguese. So Alentejo. Cheers to Alentejo then.